Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I will teach you how to change menu font size in Shopify. So what you can do is simply head over to your edit theme option, and over here you will be able to see we have all of our theme editing panel opened up. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and over here let's just say you want to change the size of the font. So click on this menu and you can see we have the size option. So let's just change it to 18. You will be able to see that it just increased. If you want to decrease it, you can do that as well. You can see now it is really small. You can do it to any other font as well that is showing up. So yeah, you can see we got the size for this header and the announcement bar as well. So this is the menu font, this is the announcement bar font. You can change pretty much everything. So I hope this is helping. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you found our videos helpful. Stay tuned for more. See you around in the next video.